Hi, we're two dads. I'm Rich.
I'm Lou, and we're here today with Claire, and we're going to find out how we're going to make weaning that little bit extra fun for our children.
So, Claire, how do we make weaning fun for our kids?
I think it's important not to be daunted or feel too stressed around weaning because your little ones are going to pick up on it. So ideally, if you can sit down and eat together at the same time, it takes the pressure off your baby. They don't feel like all the interest is on them. They can also see what you're eating and they love to copy you, so they can learn from you, particularly if you're eating similar foods. Make sure that you're enthusiastic about what you're eating, loving your food, really showing them a great example, and that's a great way for your baby to learn.
There's always lots of pressure around, fruit and vegetables. Do we really need to try and push the fruit and vegetables as the main thing?
It's important to have a really neutral approach to all foods, because if you're super enthusiastic about the vegetables and then less enthusiastic about other foods, particularly super tasty like dessert kind of foods, your baby will really pick up on it and think, why are you so enthusiastic about these things? There must be something wrong with them. They're really clever. So at the same level of enthusiasm for all foods, it's important that they keep trying vegetables, but not that you sort of sell them in really artificially, if that makes sense.
So do you think there's specific games or suggestions that you can think of that would make it that bit more fun?
I think certainly outside of mealtimes you can really engage with fruit and vegetables, for example, and play games with them, make pictures, talking to the banana phone.
We've got a little boy as well who's obviously older and he's been through it before, but can we try and engage him in helping our little girl when weaning?
Absolutely, and your daughter will be looking up to him, and he'll be there to set an example as well. So if he's a good eater and is one that accepts a lot of foods, then him eating at the same time as her, she will want to copy him because he's her role model, she looks up to him. But if there are foods that he particularly likes that your daughter doesn't, then definitely sit them together and she'll learn to copy from him. So that's a really great idea if you can all eat together as a family.
Yeah, it's really funny that you talk about weaning fun and sensory, because all I can remember is my parents saying to me, don't play with your food. And obviously now we're encouraging them to do that, so I'll have to tell my mum.
Definitely tell your mum. The wisdom has changed. Playing with your food is good.